Terrible wiring. Yeah, whoever did this, yeah, pretty much doesn't know anything about electrical. Yeah, you cannot. I just cut this Romex because they don't do any cords. They just like put this wire into the wall in there. So what I did is I put an outlet in there temporarily, and then we're gonna fix this mess. So I've got to put in the correct wire for this. Got the outlet, then the ground, and clamp for that side there. We're gonna install this. So we're gonna first insert this ring here. This one over here. Then we're gonna put the clamp in. Yep. And then secure this by tightening this 2 screws over here. Yep. Once this is tightened, then put it here. Put that over here and then slide this ring up there to secure it. Just thread it. Yep, now the back side is threaded in. Gonna put the ground here, and then connect the white to white, black to black. Now tightening the ground. And we're just gonna do we're gonna twist both ends and put the cap. And that's the final product.